LV. Bumabalik na naman. Ayan, nandito naman. Ayan, nandito. So, ayan, nandito na naman po tayo. And, panibagong vlog na naman. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong
you could do so you could do so.
ano iba vlog ko ngayon, or anong klaseng makeup look na naman ang gagawin natin. So, for me today is, kung ano yung itsura ko, kayo na lang yung humusga kung ano ba siya. Basta magbi-makeup lang ako, ganun. Magpapaganda lang, ganun. So, kayo na humusga, guys. So, gusto ko lang mag-video today. Gusto ko lang gumawa ng vlog. Kasi feel ko yung mag-makeup na naman ulit. So, fix muna natin yung hair natin. So, I bought this clip para hindi na siya mahirap. Palagi na lang ako nagtatali ng buhok. Oh, diba? Ayos. Alright, so as always, moisturizer. Susunod is lip balm. This is, kung hindi ko ba to nasasabi sa previous na mga vlogs ko, this is matte plus matte poreless for medium skin. This is my shade 125. I don't know if it's really my shade. According to the sales lady, ito po yung shade ni ma'am. So naniwala naman ako. Hindi ko alam kung ito talaga yung shade ko. This is Fit Me from Maybelline. Ayan. So mag-apply tayo ng foundation. Pwede na natin ito. Parang ewan ko kung shade ko ba talaga or hindi. Yun kasi yung hirap pag bibili ka ng ganito, yung foundation, hindi mo alam kung shade mo yung yung foundation, kasi wala naman siyang yung tester or para bang i-compare mo siya sa skin mo. Parang dito lang sa color sa labas, ganun mo lang siya, beshi. Sabihin mo na lang, parang ganito, ito na yun. After kong maglagay ng foundation, face powder naman. So again, ito lang talaga yung face powder ko, fancy colors. Using my brush. Kakabili ko lang ng brush na to, guys. And kasi super soft niya. And super mura. Gusto ko i-try yung Korean makeup look, pero parang hindi pa ako ready sa ganung makeup tutorial. Pero nanood ako ng maraming makeup tutorial about Korean makeup look. Parang soon siguro, guys. Ita-try ko siya. Concealer. Hindi nyo pa alam kung anong ginagamit kong concealer. Again, Jido. This is serum gel concealer, guys. This is pwede siyang foundation and pwede din siyang concealer. Naubusan na ako ng packaging tape, kaya ito na lang double-sided tape yung gagamitin ko. So, as you can see in my previous videos guys, naglalagay ako ng ganito because I'm not, again, di pa ako masyadong marunong mag-blend ng eyeshadow. This brown, light brown color, and then this dark brown. Highlighter. Tapos eyeliner. I'm using this Caroline Craft Ink eyeliner. Next is for our eyebrows. So I'm using this Nandito Brow Master Eye Pencil. And this is Cocoa guys, a shade of Cocoa. Then, hintayin mo. Mag-curl tayo ng lashes. Okay guys, so maglalagay muna tayo ng mascara. Ang haba, my God. So I'm putting dark brown and super dark blue dito sa under eye. I'm putting mascara. Again, this is Nandito Color Eyes. Water resistant pala itong mascara na to guys, and so hindi siya madaling matanggal. Next is contour. So this is my best friend for contour because I don't have any. So I'm using this shade. And again, I'm using this brush, using again this shade. I'm going to color for blush on. So I'm going to put again the face powder for a retouch. Alright, we're almost done. Okay, so we're going to put now a lipstick. This is a BYS lip and cheek tint. So this is a BYS Innocent. We're not done yet. And then I'm gonna add this Nandito Tease Me in a shade of Tease Me. Alright guys, I'll be back and just stay there. And so guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, please do subscribe and please don't forget to click notification bell so you won't miss my future videos. So guys, see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.